Hello folks, Luke Simons with you, back to the Basics 101. Today I was working in town in my shop and I was in dire need of a dustpan. That's right, a dustpan. Now, I could go uptown and get a dustpan, or I could think holistically and think by the time I leave and buy a $4 dustpan, I like the big dustpan, so they're 20 bucks, but all I really needed was a small dustpan for my shop. And I was changing license plates today on the old red beast, the Legend, and guess what? My solution was right under my nose. Check it out, kind of a goofy little show today. Let me know what you think in the comments. Make sure to hit that thumbs up button. That's how you pay for your YouTube, is hit your thumbs up and tell us thank you in the comments. Appreciate it. Have fun.
You know, being successful isn't as hard as what most people think it is. To be successful, you have to mimic somebody that's successful. Simply put, you have to find somebody that's successful and just mimic them. That's how simple it truly is. However, it's not easy. People that are successful pick roads that aren't easy roads. The people that came out of the 30s, the dirty 30s, they were called the greatest generation. Now, a lot of these people became very wealthy. In fact, they became the wealthiest nation in the United States. Ever in the United States, I should say, rather. Saying that, they built the wealth that we're still coasting on. The Greatest Generation. A great book is Tom Brokaw's book, The Greatest Generation. Phenomenal, phenomenal book. They knew how to improvise. They improvised everything. They recycled. They were holistic in their ways. And remember, Benjamin Franklin said, "A dollar saved is a dollar earned." Truly, it is. Now, $100 saved is $100 earned. It truly is. And it's fun. It's fun. I'm not saying you're digging through dumpsters, even though I just threw that piece of plywood away that I used for the handle, and I actually had to go to the dumpster to get it because I didn't have one in my shop. So truly I did go in the dumpster and get that, but it was a clean dumpster. Just saying. Well, I hope you enjoyed today, and may the Lord guide and keep you. Until next time, happy trails.